Many companies around the globe have been using Jira as their trusted process management tool. From IT, software and product development, it has proven its flexibility to cope with complexity and made its way throughout entire organizations.
But it has always been agile teams that profited most from Jira. When it comes to scaling agile, Jira can use some aid to boost its benefits dealing with a hierarchical framework like SAFe. Agile Hive simplifies the execution and implementation of SAFe in your organization, all inside your Jira, optionally flanked by Confluence. Now let's say it is time to prepare for PI planning. In today's showcase demo, Colin represents a release train engineer, while Anna, as a manager, reflects the business side of the company. Peter looks at the software from a development and administration point of view. How will Agile Hive help them through a PI, from preparation to planning and execution? Alignment starts with cadence.
In order to align our work using Jira, I'll have to create and define a PI cadence, including the sprints or iterations for all teams involved. With my annual PI calendar at hand, this seems to be quite straightforward. I can even set the sprints to be individually timed.
Strategic planning.
Okay now. I've never been too keen on planning our large work items with Excel, but at least everyone working on strategy knew the tool. Now, we decided to really give it alignment a boost and all use the same software. So, as management, we're also switching to Agile Hive. Let's take a look. So, this is the place where portfolio and product management can work items of larger sizes, be it PI-based, such as features, capabilities, or large portfolio epics spanning months or even years. All items prepared can be pulled out of the corresponding backlogs and even interlaced for correct linking. Okay, so everything we need to plan our upcoming PI should be there and ready to go. Especially the top 10 features, but also a clear longer-term roadmap as basis for our business context. That was easier than expected, and yes, even more intuitive than our old spreadsheets.
Good planning needs good preparation.
PI planning makes me nervous. So much depends on its success, and as an RTE, I'm accountable. Good thing that Agile Hive provides me with the checklist needed to help me and my team follow along. Based on our preparation, we created this overview page to share with everyone involved and to serve as the organizational center point. I implemented a cool design in an event management app to show the agenda, provide the links to all relevant communication channels, and contact information for everyone involved.
The big day one is here. PI planning's just started.
Now that we all have a common understanding of the business context, I would like to share the product vision with you guys. I know I have earned some fame for my beloved static PowerPoint presentations in the past, but this time I have been working in Agile Hive and I created this Confluence page for everyone to be able to get a hold of and interact with, not just now, but also in the preparation with our teams and stakeholders, and then throughout the entire product increment to come. Okay, now, the product vision is as follows.
Breakout number 1. The teams plan their work.
Okay, our development teams have been brought on track, and everyone should have a common idea of where we're heading with this PI. So let's get to work and start planning our team's contribution in our own breakout board. We start off with capacity planning of each iteration, based on our team's velocity and known absences, holidays, and such. Now we are ready to pull the features that we will work on right into our board. They will appear as swim lanes, and we can break them down into stories and other work items right here in the board. Also, we may add predefined stories right from our team backlog. Independent issues are just grouped as that. As everything is hierarchically linked right away, there is nothing we need to worry about for proper reporting. And also, the hierarchical linking creates a context view in every Jira issue. This way, everyone knows at first glance what higher goal their current work contributes to. Since other teams might contribute to the same features as we do, we will then need to identify dependencies. What do we need from other teams? Which of our tasks might hold back others? And how does that relate to the planned deliveries? A counter at each team's avatar shows the number of significant dependencies identified between us. Those are easily set, linking the cards right on the board. The color indicates their status. This dependency should work out. It's green. Will it be a close call in the same sprint? The string is yellowish. Or do we need to replan in collaboration with the other team? Wrong orders are shown in red.
The teams have finished their draft plans. The RTE brings them together.
Welcome to our draft plan review. Your initial team-by-team plans are now visible on the program board. We do have a milestone that we need to keep watching. Also, some significant feature dependencies have been identified. It's any work that needs to be completed before a feature can be completed. These show up as linked color-coded lines. Now, this program board may serve as a great hands-on visual basis for all of us finishing up our PI planning, but as it responds to the team's actual work, it will also help us track progress and manage dependencies for the duration of the PI.
A few sprints in, the teams have been working hard to deliver value, and everyone is anxious to make or get their deliveries in time.
Getting to where I do my daily business, my team's Jira project, is quite easy with the automated Agile Hive navigation menu. Let's see where we stand as a development team. Okay. With this much time passed in the PI and that much of our planned work done, we seem to be quite on track. The sprint-by-sprint view lets me grasp all issues planned for every iteration. It seems this feature will cost us some time still, and there are a few independent team items not contributing to any feature directly. The next system demo will cover another team PI objective. When we make sure the business owner assigns the actual business value right away, the updated metric on top will look quite good as well.
Now, what about feature delivery?
As I know management will be following up on this art report, I'll also remember to check it regularly. This is where the data of all the teams of this Agile release train is aggregated and indicates the progress towards feature deliveries. Since every team's progress towards each feature they work on is visible at first glance, I can identify possible problems right away, start investigating solutions, and start collaborating with the teams. By default, I see the current PI's report, but it's really nice to be able to switch and compare it with past increments, and even take a look into future planning.
Software to cut through complexity.
Implementing SAFe in our organization proved quite the task, involving all levels of employees, including decision makers. So, when we Jira administrators were given the responsibility of implementing a software in this context, we were about to freak out. Fortunately, Agile Hive's configuration turned out to be straightforward. Modeling our SAFe organization in Jira is really a piece of cake. Once set up, the correct hierarchical linking of issues is quite bulletproof. And as Agile Hive comes with prefab templates for the Jira projects involved, all SAFe artifacts and workflows are right there. So, further growth and scaling Agile? Bring 'em on!
We hope you enjoyed our Partner Showcase demo, and we are happy to talk more about Agile Hive with you. Come and join our live chat or book a personal demo with us.